So I made a rookie mistake. I should really keep my phone off of portrait lock since I always forget. This is the unboxing of the April 2020 Paper Pumpkin Take 2. All the contents are in here. The only things that are missing are the shrink wrap inside and outside of the box. Yeah, my take 1, pretty much I goofed and I kept my phone on portrait lock. So hopefully now the orientation is correct. So if you haven't received yours yet and you don't want any spoilers, pause the video now. If you want to see what's inside, let's follow along. Okay, so these are Stampin' Up's, for those that aren't familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it's Stampin' Up's monthly paper crafting subscription. I bought this as a treat to myself every month, and in Canada I believe the cost is about $30 for a box, but you could also buy prepaid, so it's buy 11 months and get 1 month free if you buy the 12 months. And you can also sign up for the 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, I believe. Don't quote me on that, that's off the top of my head. Okay, so let's dig in. They have the flyer for next month's Paper Pumpkin. So next month is all about the in colors that are going to be released or revealed in our new catalog that's launching in June. If you like your free copy of the annual catalog and you don't have a demonstrator yet and you live in Canada, please let me know. Yeah, so I believe I have a post that is asking you to guess your in colors for next year. We also have the Pear Pizzazz ink spot, a stamp set, a free stamp set that comes within the kit, so you could always keep this and reuse it for other projects. It has tree images, and it's all about, this month is all about family, so it's Happy Mother's Day, mom, dad, brother, sister, daughter. Some of the sentiments, let's see, this one says, I'm glad you are my family. Family where life begins and love never ends. Happy Father's Day. I'll always be here for you. And to my wonderful, and you can mix and match these sentiments. We also have a ribbon. It always comes wrapped in this blue tissue paper. Okay, so let me take this out. Sorry, didn't mean to shake the camera. Oops. Okay, so it always comes with an instruction how it should look. You could always make alternatives with them, so don't feel like you are bound to creating what they suggest. It comes with instructions on how you can get that created, and then at the back here they give you some alternative ideas and how the finished product should look like if you want to follow the kit's instructions. It also lists all your kit includes and coordinating colors. So if you are having difficulty or you want to know what color, for instance, is, let's say, the ribbon. Well, they listed crushed curry, early espresso, melon mambo, mint macaron, pear pizzazz, shaded spruce, and soft sea foam. So most likely the ribbon is, of course, melon mambo, and that's actually a pretty colored ribbon. Next we have the glue dots, the pearl embellishments. I believe this is based on the color coordination. I believe it's mint macaron and crushed curry. We have mini Stampin' Dimensionals. We have the card layers for one of the card ideas, envelopes, second design of envelopes. We have the card bases. This is one of the designs. This looks like an interesting design. It has a full pair, so I might have to read the instructions later on how to assemble these. We have butterflies and birds embellishments. We have banners for the sentiments. We have the second design, same kind of folding style. Leaves, embellishments, tree trunks or branches. Oh, that's falling apart there. And more banners. Oh, and every kit always comes with these cardboard inserts to make sure that the contents stays sturdy and straight through shipment. I always like to keep these for future projects in case I need anything more sturdier than cardstock. Every part of the kit is reusable, so that is it. Thank you and hope you enjoy. I will try to create these videos every time I get my paper pumpkin so you can see what's inside. Thanks. Keep safe. Bye.